Hi everyone, I'm Marina from English for Nations. This channel is dedicated to teach you English in a fun and a simple way. So if you have struggled to speak English in the past, this channel is for you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see all what's new. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use how many and how much. So before we start, we need to take a look at countable and uncountable nouns. Countable plural nouns like eggs, bags, chairs, apples, pens, boys, glasses, radios, books. Uncountable singular nouns like bread, oil, water, cheese, milk, butter, rice, pasta, meat, coffee, sugar. Anything that you can count and doesn't have S at the end. Now it's time to practice. So write C for countable nouns and U for uncountable nouns. Elephants. Correct, countable. Number 2, milk. Yes, uncountable. Number 3, snakes. Correct, countable. Number 4, coffee. Yes, uncountable. Number 5, shoes. Correct, countable. Number 6, apples. Well done, countable. Number 7, sugar. Yes, uncountable. Number 8, cheese. Well done, uncountable. Number 9, doors. Great, countable. Number 10, water. Correct, uncountable. So how many plus countable nouns? Example, how many girls are here? How many girls are here? Another example, how many apples are on the table? But I use how much with uncountable nouns. Example, how much sugar is in your cup? Another example, how much milk is in the refrigerator? So let's practice. Fill in the blanks using how many or how much. Number 1, complete shoes are on the floor. Correct. How many shoes are on the floor? Number 2, complete flowers are in the vase. Great. How many flowers are in the vase? Number 3, complete money is it? Correct. How much money is it? 4. Butter is on the table. Yes, how much butter is on the table? Complete cars do you have? Yes, how many cars do you have? Number 6, complete orange juice do you have? Well done. How much orange juice do you have? Number 7, complete water is in the bottle. Yes, how much water is in the bottle? Number 8, complete monkeys are in the zoo. Yes, how many monkeys are in the zoo? 9, complete glasses are on the table. Correct. How many glasses are on the table? Number 10, complete tea do you have? Great. How much tea do you have? Another exercise, you need to make questions using how much and how many and the words below. You have oil, carrots, oranges, rice, books, cheese, pens, and pasta. Yes, how much oil do you have? How many carrots are there? How many oranges are in the bag? How much rice is in the kitchen? How many books are on the shelf? How much cheese is in the box? How many pens are in your bag? And how much pasta do you need? Well done. And now I'm going to leave you with a short video. What do we need for the picnic? We need some sandwiches, of course. How many sandwiches do we need? We need like 10 sandwiches. How much cheese do you have in the kitchen? We have a lot, don't worry. And how much bread do we have? We don't have much, we need to buy some. And do we have any juice? We have a little, we need to buy more. So what are we waiting for? We need to go to the supermarket, let's go. That's all from me today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the notification bell to see all what's new. See you next time.